To get a loan from Quotex, you need to understand what Quotex is and how it operates. Quotex is a trading platform that allows users to trade various assets, including currencies, commodities, and indices. However, Quotex does not offer traditional loans like banks or financial institutions. Instead, it provides a unique feature called a demo account or a bonus that can be used to trade. Step 1. Create an account on the Quotex platform by providing the required information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email or phone. Step 2. Familiarize yourself with the Quotex platform and its features. Understand the different types of trades you can make, the available assets, and the trading conditions. You can practice trading using a demo account, which is a simulated environment that uses virtual money. Step 3. If you want to trade with real money, you need to deposit funds into your account. Quotex accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. Make sure to check the minimum deposit amount and any applicable fees. Step 4. If you are eligible, Quotex may offer you a bonus or a promotion that can be used to trade. This bonus can be considered as a type of loan, as it allows you to trade with more money than you initially deposited. However, be aware that bonuses and promotions come with certain conditions and requirements that must be met before you can withdraw your profits. Step 5. To get the most out of your trading experience and to minimize your risks, make sure to develop a trading strategy and stick to it. Set clear goals, manage your risk, and continuously educate yourself on the markets and trading techniques. In conclusion, while Quotex does not offer traditional loans, it provides a unique trading environment that allows users to trade with virtual or bonus money. By following these steps and understanding the Quotex platform, you can make the most out of your trading experience and potentially profit from your trades. Always remember to trade responsibly and within your means.